Hey, good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. Make sure that you click on Wednesday's folder. Just a reminder, if you need to bring up your test grade, here are the unit test corrections. Also, this is where I put the regular schedule. This is, for the most part, this is the schedule that we use. If anything else changes, I always update it here. Make sure that you're clicking on grades on the left side so that you can see what you're missing. Anything that's missing will be zeros in the gradebook and Skyward, so make sure you get that done as quickly as possible. Tomorrow and Friday, I will be absent. So you guys do not have to log into Google Meets. Just make sure that you do your work daily so that you can get attendance for Thursday and attendance for Friday. There's going to be a link that says fill out for attendance credit today. Make sure that everybody fills it out, even if you are present in my class. Make sure that you fill it out face-to-face or virtual, okay? Just remember, I'm turning in grades. I put in some grades yesterday for Monday, and I'm putting in grades today for yesterday. And I'm looking to see if you guys have done your work or not. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a remind message, a Google chat message, or an email, or even a message here in Schoology, and I'll get to it as quickly as possible. I will be absent tomorrow and Friday, so, I mean, if I see the message, I'll respond, and if I don't see it, I'm sorry. Remember, Monday and Tuesday, you will not be here, okay? So Monday and Tuesday, let me see if I have the calendar. Where's my calendar? Here. No school Monday or Tuesday. Wednesday, it is an asynchronous day. Everybody stays home on Wednesday and works from home, okay? So make sure that you do not come on Wednesday. That's when the juniors are going to take their SAT or PSAT, and you guys will stay home and you will do your work from home. As long as you're working, you will still get counted present and you will get your daily grade for that day. Again, this is October the 14th. Ese día no tienen que venir. That day you do not have to come in. You just log in. You do not have to get into the Google Meets. You just do your work. Ese día nada más entras a la clase y haces tu trabajo. No tienes que estar en Google Meets.